In this video, I will show you how to draw a Voronoi diagram after you add another point. Look at this blue point. This is a new point you add to this existing Voronoi diagram. So, first of all, we need to draw perpendicular bisector between these 2 points because they are in the same cell. I labeled the points around this new point C. So the next step, we need to draw perpendicular bisector line between C and D because they are in the same cell. So I do this is a C, here's a D. Let me change the color for this line. Next step, you need to find the intersection between this new perpendicular bisector and the existing nearest edge. It's here. So I get this point here. The next step, you need to check this edge is between which 2 sides. For this edge is between F and D. Therefore, you need to draw the perpendicular bisector between this F and C now. So I go to perpendicular bisector. This is the F and C. Then I need to change the color into green. Then check this new perpendicular bisector intersect which edge is here. So get this intersection. Then check this edge is between which 2 sides. It's between F and J. So you need to draw the perpendicular bisector between this J and C. Since this perpendicular bisector intersect the border close to this C, therefore, we stop drawing perpendicular bisector line. And you could say this polygon formed a new cell including the site C. Then the next step, you need to erase the edges in the new cell including the site C. Then you need to draw the new edges for this C. In this way, we created a new Voronoi diagram after we add a new site to the existing Voronoi diagram. Let's go to another example. A new site P will be added into this existing Voronoi diagram. So we will create a new cell for this site P. Since P and G in the same cell, we will create the perpendicular bisector between points P and G. Then you will check this perpendicular bisect line intersect two edges. After you drew the first perpendicular bisect line, you can predict what kind of cell will be for this new site. You could say something like this. Remember, the vector will be the intersection of perpendicular bisector lines. Therefore, we can find the vertices for the cell of the site P, these 2 points. Since I will do the counterclockwise, then check this edge is between, this is a J and a D. Therefore, I will draw the perpendicular bisect line between P and D. Then the next step, we will draw the perpendicular bisect line between P and C, because this edge is between C and D. So perpendicular bisect line between C and P here. Since this perpendicular bisect line intersect this previous vertex. In other words, you could say this perpendicular bisect line intersect, it could be this line, and or this line. But which one count though? Only the one around this P will count. So basically it's this line count. In other words, you will check this edge is between C and F. So we will do the perpendicular bisect line between P and F. Then you could say you form this polygon called cell for this site P. Now let's create the cell for this P. Then you need to erase the edges in this cell. This will be the new cell for the new site P.